William Ruto and his family have this evening received the COVID-19 vaccine, assuring Kenyans of its safety. This as the Ministry of Health announced possible delays of the second batch of the AstraZeneca vaccine due to the decision by the Indian government to halt all international supplies of the vaccine in order to focus on its domestic demands only. Zainab Mohammed has the details.
Close to 2 months since the onset of the COVID-19 vaccination exercise, more and more fear seems to continue to surround the exercise, with the Ministry of Health now saying the administration of the second dose of the vaccine in May be negatively impacted as a result of the decision by the Government of India to halt all international supplies in order to concentrate on domestic demands only.
So far, we were expecting that by May we will be receiving some additional vaccines somewhere between April or May, but we've just gotten the communication from Gavi saying that there may be a delay because of the decision by the Indian government to basically stop the exportation of the vaccine and focus on their own domestic market.
The ministry further warning that the expiry date of the first batch of AstraZeneca vaccines is fast approaching, and should the vaccines expire before use, the COVAX facility may reduce the country's allocations.
The vaccine, the stocks that we have, the 2 batches we received, they expire in June 2021, and because of the demand that has been created, we are confident that the vaccines will not expire on us. But this is something that we are really alive to, because if we allow any vaccine to expire on us, then automatically Gavi through the COVAX platform will reduce our allocation further.
This even as the Embassy of Russia confirms the arrival and use of the Sputnik vaccine in Kenya, some Kenyans taking the opportunity to announce that they have received the first jab of the Russian-based COVID-19 vaccine. However, through a statement to newsrooms, the Pharmaceutical Society of Kenya has condemned the unauthorized marketing of COVID-19 vaccine on social media, saying all COVID-19 vaccines approved for use in Kenya have been authorized under emergency use only.
As a ministry, we have been moving very, very slowly in that space in terms of even approval of the vaccines. Even though Sputnik is in the country, not a single person has received that Sputnik vaccine.
More than 130,000 people have been vaccinated so far, including the Deputy President William Ruto and his family. Ruto, whilst receiving the vaccine Tuesday evening, has assured Kenyans of its safety, urging all to go for the jab. Zainab Mohammed, TV47.